Welcome, Cosmic Explorers. You're in the fast starter track, our beginner friendly doorway into big ideas from the Mahabharata and modern cosmology. Today, we play with a brave question: how big is everything? Imagine standing on a beach at night. You see only one horizon, but you know the ocean goes on. In the same way, our universe might be one vast ocean bubble among many. We'll first explain that idea in simple language, no math, just pictures and stories. Then we will meet three powerful Mahabharata images that rhyme with this curiosity. Remember, level 0 is about building comfort and wonder, not proving theories. By the end, you will have clear words for the multiverse idea and a few epic images that help your imagination stretch. Let's set up two easy definitions. Universe, everything we can, in principle, measure or receive signals from. That can be space, time, energy, matter. Multiverse, the possibility that there are many universes, like a hotel with many rooms, while we currently occupy just one room. Notice two keywords, possibility and unproven. Scientists keep the door open because some early universe ideas allow multiple regions that never meet. For an 8th grade picture, think of a soap bubble in a sink. Each bubble has its own thin skin and interior. If the sink fills fast, lots of bubbles form and most never touch. That's the shape of the idea, not a fact. For our course level, it's enough to know one universe is what we study directly. Many universes is an open question we are curious about. Why even talk about a multiverse? Because the early universe seems to have expanded extremely fast. Picture a tiny wrinkly balloon that's suddenly blown up, wrinkles smooth out. In cosmology, this kind of rapid growth helps explain why space today looks very smooth in every direction. Some versions of that growth don't stop everywhere at once. They can keep going in patches, making separate bubble regions. If so, there could be many regions with different details, like different recipes for how matter behaves. Important guardrails. 1. This is a model, not a proven fact. 2. Scientists seek fingerprints, tiny patterns in the sky that such scenarios might leave behind. 3. If the clues don't show up, models get revised or retired. Science is a moving conversation, and at level 0, we are learning the shape of that conversation, not the full math. Time for honesty. A cool idea stays a story until there is evidence. Researchers try to spot gentle hints like unusual cold or hot patches in sky maps. Yet, none are slam dunks. That's okay. Science is careful on purpose. Hold these thoughts together. 1. Multiverse scenarios are taken seriously enough to study. Second, they are unconfirmed, no gold standard proof it. Third, being a good beginner means you can say, I understand the idea. I also understand what we don't know. That balance, curiosity with caution, is your superpower in this course. Ancient epics didn't run experiments, but they did ask cosmic questions. Where does everything come from? How does time move? Are there multiple worlds or layers of reality? The Mahabharata answers with symbols and metaphors, not lab data. We won't force a match between epics and physics. Instead, we'll notice rhymes. That shared themes help our minds hold very large ideas gently, with respect for both science and story. In Shanti Parva, there is a memorable origin picture. After a vast cosmic night, creation begins. Brahma arises from a golden egg, remains inside it for a period, and then emerges to shape the world. Earth below, heaven above, and the sky between. Listen to the cadence of creation here. A seed like egg holding possibility, a waiting period, and then unfolding into a structured cosmos. This is not physics, it's cosmogony, an image that invites awe at beginnings. For our purposes, the egg tells us two things. First, the epic is comfortable with a single source that contains everything in potential. Second, it imagines stages, rest, emergence, order, much like how modern thinkers talk about phases of the early universe, though the language differs. Now we meet a mirror image, an egg in the water that has existed since the dawn of beings. At the time of destruction, a gigantic fire springs from it and consumes the three worlds. The same symbol, egg, frames both beginning and ending, like bookends on cosmic time. That's the epic's way of saying reality moves in cycles: expansion and contraction, appearance and dissolution. You don't need to pick sides between science and scripture here. Just notice the pattern. The epic situates us in a grand cycle where creation and dissolution are natural patterns. Shanti Parva also speaks of an eternal principle who is the wheel of time, without beginning and without end, and who makes all beings in the three worlds revolve on that wheel. This image turns time into a motion you can picture, a turning wheel carrying worlds and beings along. Other verses describe a mystical time wheel with six naves and 12 spokes, a poetic way to talk about repeating measures of time. The text even stacks a ladder of greatness, the elements, the mind, intelligence, and then time. And beyond time, the supreme, an elegant reminder that time governs change for everything within the cosmos. These are meaning rich claims about scale and order, not laboratory claims. As beginners, we let the symbol do its work. It helps us feel how vast and ordered cosmic time can be. Side by side view to keep us honest. Modern multiverse talk, born from mathematical models of the early universe. It asks for observable clues. It remains unconfirmed. Mahabharata talk, it gives symbols, a golden egg for origin, an ending egg for dissolution, and a wheel of time turning the three worlds. The overlap isn't a one-to-one mapping, it's a resonance. Science is about test and update. Epics are about meaning and orientation. Our level 0 goal isn't to prove or dismiss either. It's to grow a mind that can say, I understand the difference and I can still appreciate the rhyme. Let's land the plane. You now have a clear, kid-friendly handle on the multiverse as a possibility, plus three epic images to hold the scale of reality, the golden egg of beginning, the ending egg of dissolution, and the time wheel that carries the three worlds. In our Cosmic Explorer Fast Starter track, you will keep collecting these paired lenses, ancient symbols on one side, modern questions on the other. So your imagination stays wide and your thinking stays humble. When you are ready, higher levels in the membership go deeper into unabridged Mahabharata study and advanced connections. For today, curiosity is enough. Great job staying with the big picture.